do it. Don't press the stop button. It's recording. Okay.
Come here. Whenever you're cutting, come this side. Right here. You don't want to cut while it's on the ground. I'm going to show you how to cut first. You don't want to cut while it's on the ground. That cane hits that fucking concrete and screw the cane up.
Okay.
Use like a log and stuff. Hold it with your foot so that it don't roll on you. See those teeth? You can use them to dig into the side of the log. Make a pivoting action out of it.
Okay. Well, you do it first.
When you cut, don't stand over the blade. If it hits a knot, it hits back, that blade's gonna come up and hit. Always stand. See how I'm to the right?
Yeah.
See how I'm to the left?
Okay. I'm right-handed, so where's the ignition button?
The trigger, right there. Got it right about here.
What now?
Grip that handle good.
What's that?
It's a safety. Look. See how you can't pull the trigger?